Okay, good morning from New York. It's about 10 a.m. I'm in Brooklyn right now. Got ready for the day. I'm walking to a vegan cafe for my breakfast. I only got 4 hours of sleep, so I need coffee too. But yeah, I'm so excited. The weather's so nice, really breezy, not too hot. And I'm just so excited to spend 33 hours in New York by myself. Okay, update. I realized I've been walking the opposite direction for like 5 minutes, so I turned around and now I'm walking again. This is the most I've walked this whole summer probably.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, I feel like summer. She feel like summer. This feel like summer.
Okay, so I'm currently at Dumbo. I'm sitting by the river facing the Brooklyn Bridge. The view is amazing. I have my AirPods in. I'm just listening to music and just having some alone time. Life is amazing and New York is gorgeous.
Around the sun, rolling faster, faster, not a chance to slow down.
Okay, now I'm in Chinatown. I was gonna go Glossier, but the line was too long, so I'm just gonna walk to near Cha Cha Matcha and get a green tea nitro. I think that's what it's called.
Do you remember the taste of my lips that night? I stole a bit of my mother's perfume. 'Cause I remember when my father put his fist through the wall that separated the dining room. And I remember the fear in your eyes the very first time.
Now I'm walking to a kids store that's like 9 minutes away before I meet up with a friend. Okay, currently at Jane's waiting for my friend Ariane. I went to Kith and got a crop top that says Kith on it. Sneak peek. Okay, let's say hi to my vlog.
I don't know what to say.
we got the Soho punch. Cheers. I got the avocado toast. No, avocado sandwich with taco cheese, tomato, cucumbers, onions, avocado with French fries. And Ariane got the. Wait, it's not focusing. I'll say it for you. It's like a Benedict.
Eggs Benedict, yeah.
Yeah, and
salmon.
Oh. And
should I cut the eggs so you can see? Okay, ready?
Yolk corn. Ooh.
Look at that.
Just finished lunch and we're going to dessert. Feeling a little tipsy. We had 2 drinks. It's only like 4 p.m.
I love being day drunk though.
Yeah,
like,
I
that's
know.
the best feeling.
It's nice. But yeah, we're going to a dessert place. Reunited after.
I'm so red.
Like maybe like
We've never even had a one-on-one.
That is so true.
We've never. I don't think
It's our
I've
first
ever
time
hung out
having a
with you
one-on-one. Yeah, special moment.
We should go drink more.
Yeah, we should. Ariane took me to a frozen s'mores place. Thank you.
Oh, it's like so
cute. How is it? Amazing. S'moresy. I'm just walking to Washington Square Park to meet my sister. Oops, sorry. Got my s'mores. That's my sister.
Wow. How about
Say hi.
아니 사진을 찍으라니까.
If you love
We'll be
me,
looking for sunlight, not a headlight, silhouette, burning down. We'll be racing the same shoes that we've run through the bottom of the line. You know we're headstrong in our customs, and timing's never right. If let's get away on a romantic holiday.
Just finished lunch, second lunch, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my sister, but I think we're just gonna roam around and take pictures for like that. This one, because I ate before, I couldn't really eat lunch, but it was pretty good. I would rate it like 6 out of 10. The smoothie's pretty good, but my sister didn't really like it, but I liked it. Overall, 7 out of 10.
We have an hour and a half to get this.
Okay, now I met up with my friend, Chris. Say hi, Chris. Chris is an old friend of mine. We met in when I was in 6th grade. No, not 6th grade. 9th grade. When I was my
not that early.
And he's also visiting New York, and I didn't even know until I came here. But we're at Grace Street right now in K-Town, getting some drinks before dinner.
Little fan of this umbrella.
He got the sunset lemonade.
Sunset lemonade.
Yeah, I got the matcha sumo or something. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Get in the picture. We're at Abiko.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scene, Abiko Noodle House or whatever it's called. I got the basic curry noodles. It's vegan, confirmed. Fred, what you get?
The basic curry rice.
Basic curry rice.
I got curry rice with sausage.
I got sausage and pork. Curry rice with chicken.
Oh, yum.
Same thing. Curry rice and chicken.
Yummy.
That's the way to go. That's just the way to go.
We feasted. We just had dessert. Now Fred is leading us to Times Square because
We're gonna get lost in New York City.
Chris
Let's go.
and
Tour guide.
Andrew have never been.
Friends are tour guides.
So far, today's been kind of spontaneous.
Yes.
I've been up since 3 a.m.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and had 2-hour nap. Kind of tired, but the city never sleeps, and yeah, so I don't sleep. Good morning. It is 8 a.m. I'm waiting for my lift to pick me up so I can go to the cycleway. I was gonna get a juice on the way, but I don't think I have time. Sorry, can't hear. It's so loud.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind. Why not would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go, or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong.
Good morning, it's the next day. I'm at Bryant Park. It is around 11. After soul cycling, I went to Grand Central Park. Then now I'm at Bryant Park eating some green with my Joe and the juice. And yeah, I'm just gonna read the news, get some work done, and yeah. There's also yoga in the park at Bryant Park. I think this is green. I hope so, because on the side I was like kind of like joining too. But yeah, so it's my last day. My flight is at 6 p.m. So I still have around 4 hours to kill. 12, 1, 2, yeah. I have nothing planned except that I just want to go to the vessel, which is by Chelsea Market, I think. Oh yeah. The spicy Thai has tofu in it with red cabbage, arugula, cilantro, lettuce, cucumbers. Pretty good. Okay, so I forgot to mention why I'm here. I'm here because I wanted to do like a solo trip before school ended. I just really like being by myself and I'm like really comfortable with it. So I wanted to do a solo trip, and I picked New York because I'm really familiar with the city since I've been here like a few times. So that's why I'm here. I decided to book my ticket like 3 to 4 weeks in advance. And I didn't really want to go for like a couple of days because I've seen basically everything that I wanted to see. So that's why I picked a 33-hour trip here. It was only like $200 round trip, so it was still really good. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Okay, now I'm walking towards the vessel. I've been walking for like 10 minutes and I have 12 minutes to go. It's a little drizzling right now, but it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the vessel. Not sure what I'm gonna do next, but I really do want to try this vegan sushi place that's nearby after. I decided to come to the High Line on the way to a vessel. It's raining a little harder, but not too bad. Sitting under the vessel right now. I was gonna go on it, but I cannot go up the stairs because I'm so sore. So I'm just gonna chill under here, take a break, then I'll be close. Wasting time before I had to go to the airport, but I'm currently at Times Square. One of my last moments here in New York before I come back. I had lunch at Beyond Sushi, which is a vegan sushi place, and I thought I was going to be late to get to the airport, so I got it to go. But it turns out I do have time left, so I think I'm just gonna finish my food here, then call a Lyft to the airport and head on over. My flight's at 6 p.m. so I have to get to the airport by at least like 4:30 latest. Okay, hello. As you can tell, I'm in my car, meaning I landed from New York. It's around 10:30. Just got home. I just want to say thank you for watching, like and subscribe. This was probably the best 33 hours of my life. Everyone should go on a solo trip before they die. I highly recommend it. I definitely see myself doing this kind of stuff again. Definitely worth your money. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!